How to change phone number on Webull. Follow the instructions. Open the Webull app on your phone. Log into your account if you are not already logged in. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to find Settings and tap on it. Tap on Account and Security. Look for the Mobile Number section and tap on it. Tap on Change Mobile Number. You may be asked to verify your identity. Enter your current mobile number if requested. Enter the new mobile number you want to use. Tap to request a verification code to the new number. Wait for the verification code to arrive via SMS. Enter the verification code in the app. Review the information to make sure it is correct. Submit the change and wait for confirmation. Thank you for watching.